Alright, I will. That's okay. It's probably just a stick.
Mom, do you want to see what dead rolling polies look like?
I've already seen those. Right over there.
Yeah.
Why do you think they are all dead?
Because they couldn't get enough air over there. Bam, bam. Everyone poop. Everyone food and water.
Maybe. Food, water, and air.
What?
You need food, water, and air, don't you?
Yeah. Look, 3 things to stay alive. So much. I say I love you so much for the world. I love you so much. Yeah, we love you. We're singing to everybody in this stage.